Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry with frozen vegetables. First, heat your wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like canola or peanut oil. Make sure your frozen vegetables are slightly thawed, not rock solid, for the best results. Once your pan is hot and the oil is shimmering, add your frozen vegetables. Stir-fry them continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want them to be tender crisp, not mushy. If you have a lot of vegetables, cook them in batches to maintain high heat and achieve a good sear. If you're adding protein like chicken or tofu, cook it first and set it aside. While the vegetables cook, whisk together your favorite stir-fry sauce. Once the vegetables are nearly done, return your cooked protein to the pan. Pour in your sauce and toss everything to coat evenly for a delicious meal. Let the sauce simmer for just 1 to 2 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly and coat all the ingredients. Remove from heat and garnish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds or some fresh chopped green onions. Serve your delicious stir-fry immediately over steamed rice or your favorite noodles for a quick and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.